In this video I am going to be showing you how to draw cat eyes. I'm starting out with a horizontal line and drawing a section indicating the part that's in between the eyes of our cat. And that part is going to be, and that part section is going to be the same length as the eyes. And then you can draw a curved line from section 1 until the end of the section as the upper part of our eyes, and a little more curved circle-like shape as the lower part of the eyes, and the almond-shaped pupils. Then I'm going to do the line art with a black marker and drawing some details. And then the pupils. Then adding some more details that are needed. And I'm going to finish up with the coloring. Don't forget to color the inner part of the iris or the eye with a darker color, because it's usually darker, and also the outer part is darker, so the middle part of the iris is the lightest. I mean the part between the outer iris and the pupils. And I'm coloring in with a lighter color, as I said before. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more drawing videos.